intermodal that could possibly have one of the special engines on it if you want to go on out a little bit. I think we have enough that we could do that. Looks like it's a pretty long one. Yeah, it's a pretty long one. Matter of fact, it's got a DPU on it. Yep. She's been set. Dad, watch the language. Watch the language. Just watch them. Let's see, 2717. That is a Gevo. That's a Gevo. Yep, just like mine. It's a Gevo. So, man, this is a long one. Woo! Boy, this is a long one. This definitely could have, well, it could have normal engines on it, but it could have something special on the front too. And he's either waiting for somebody or something. Oh, there's a bunch of trucks going somewhere. Okay, let's see who's out here. Let's see who's out here. One of these times I'm hoping that I see Spirit 1943. I'm hoping, because I think the Spirit is pulling regular trains. It's not on the special. There's one going by. Oh, God darn it! There's one going by. He was waiting for one going by, and I didn't. Yeah, I might have caught him. I don't know. 78, 75, 81, 65, and 73, 58. There's one moving through. Darn it! I wished I could have caught him when he was. And I may have caught him. May have caught the engines. Now this is a pretty long one too. As you can tell, it's fairly long. There's a DPU right there, or two DPUs. Now this is definitely a long one. 6302 and 5954. This is definitely a long one right here. Holy moly, this is a long one. Oh my goodness. This dude is long. And there could be a possibility, if they're running them heavy, they could be running, one could be coming through, we go down a little bit and we could see another one. If they're running a lot of intermodals east and west, we could possibly see another one. This one is very, very long. That was a very, very long intermodal. Like I say, possibly could see another one. Because that guy that was sitting on the siding, he was out doing something as they were going by. red signal going this way, so he can't really go. If there's a green signal or caution signal for eastbound, then there's a good possibility we'll see another eastbound. Yeah, that means he can't move west yet. He can't move until he gets the green signal. And there wasn't no trains moving west because he can't move. Okay. That's a caution signal. Caution signal going eastbound, so that probably could be a possibility that there's another eastbound rolling. Two eastbounds will roll by. Two eastbounds will roll through, and that one westbound, he'll wait till the eastbounds go by. And like that guy I was talking to over at McPherson, he said there's been a lot of trains moving through. Matter of fact, unless that was a car light, I was gonna say, a matter of fact, I thought I seen a light from a train, but I guess it wasn't. I thought it was there for a minute it was a light from a train. Okay, this light,
it's a red light.
Yeah, it's still red, so he can't move west.
But 2-to-1, there's another big eastbound.
Yeah, we got another caution. I can't tell if that's a train up there or not. Looks like there might be. Thought I seen. Yep. Right there. There's another one. Right there. 5073 7714. There's another UP right there.
He's all green.
Yep, he's all green. Yep, all green. I knew there was another one possibly coming because there was a caution. So Intermodal goes through first. And now we have a big grain coming, and that could now look at the light when we go by. Gotta watch all these whatever that going by here too. Okay, do we still have? Nope, we got a red going eastbound, so no more trains can go eastbound. Nope, no more trains can go eastbound. It'll be westbound now. Like they're working on that tail unit back there. Like the guys are having to do some work on the engine back there. You better give your signal, Dad. The way these goonies behind us know what we're doing. And then go to McDonald's and go to McDonald's. Go to McDonald's. The grain is just going by, but having to go by real slow. Having to go by real slow. Okay, this is Givo 2717, I think. It looks like Givo. I think it is. Yeah, they're having to really slow up down through here. Looks like to me. Almost coming to a stop. I'm wondering if they're having to wait for other traffic or whatever. That out there on going out by McPherson and over by McPherson and over there by there's the engines right there. You're having to sit there and they're having to sit there and wait. They can't go. They got a definite red signal. They definitely can't go. Probably until the intermodal that was going through is fully passed, and they might have to wait over there at Inman, possibly. Man. That is something else. Okay. We're on Blanchard. You can see all the new poles that they put up not too long ago. All them big old poles. They're putting old poles up everywhere. Where you look, you can see new poles, new high tension wires. Okay, we're going to end there. Thank you guys for watching.